Dave here with DP & Company to welcome you to how to size and buy canopy tarps. In this video, we're going to walk you through the various types of canopy tarps that are available and how to help you find the right size and fit for your canopy kit or next project. You see, when we talk about canopy tarps, we're talking about valance tarps, N-Tarps, shade nets, as well as the heavy-duty silver and white canopy tarps. While we will touch on the various themes of each of these tarp styles, if there's a specific type of tarp that you need, I would suggest you checking out the detailed product description of that specific tarp. Now, odds are if you're looking into canopy tarps, you're probably familiar with the silver and white heavy-duty canopy tarps. You see, each of these has a triple-coated polyethylene surface, has a tightly woven fiber weave, features plastic reinforced corners, has brass plated grommets every 18 inches, and a rope reinforced edges. The tricky part about canopy tarps is ensuring that you have the proper size for your canopy kit, especially when you consider the finished tarp size versus the labeled tarp size. You see, these tarps are designed to fit extremely snug because nobody wants saggy tarps. You may have noted that a tarp may say that it's 12 foot by 20 foot, but it also notes that it's 11 feet 6 inches by 19 feet 6 inches. This is due to the rolled edges that are reinforced with rope for extra durability. Most canopy kits with a non-valance tarp will actually have a small 6-inch gap between the edge of the tarp and the piping. This is normal. This allows for an additional amount of flex in windy conditions, as well as reducing the sagging. If you want a canopy kit that doesn't have that 6-inch gap, you can't simply buy the next size tarp. It won't fit properly. What you need is a valance tarp. Valance tarps are specifically engineered with a curved skirt all the way around the edge of your canopy tarp. This skirt is designed to hang 8 inches over the edge of your canopy kit. This additional skirt is what actually covers that 6-inch gap while providing more protection from the sun and rain, redirecting rainwater to the outside of your canopy frame while still maintaining that snug fit. However, if you're not as concerned with the rain or an overly snug fitting skirt, then you might want to consider a mesh tarp. Mesh tarps are made from 100% polyethylene, have a UV stabilizer, reinforced corners, as well as the brass plated grommets every 24 inches. They are specifically engineered to last in all weather conditions, especially constant sunshine. Lastly is our most unique type of tarp, the N-Tarp. These tarps are specifically designed to give your canopy kit a more finished look, similar to what you might see on a wedding canopy kit or even an event booth. N-Tarps are crafted identically to the silver and white heavy-duty tarps as well as valance tarps to match them in both appearance and durability. The key difference to N-Tarps outside of the additional peak shape is the inclusion of a 14-inch flap that wraps around each of the 4 corner posts. This is to give the tarp more stability while providing a more finished look from inside of the canopy. If you want a more completed look to your canopy kit, including even one N-Tarp will make a massive difference. Well, that's about it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. Hope it gave you a better understanding of canopy tarps. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for us. It'll really help us out. We will see all of you in the next one.